Otosh, the award-winning firearms design company, is virtually unknown in America, but that's about to change. Behold, the ultimate tactical shotgun, the UTS-15. Built primarily from fiber-reinforced technical polymers, the UTS-15 weighs only 6.9 pounds, has an overall length of just over 28 inches. But with dual top-mounted magazines, the UTS-15 will hold as many as 15 12-gauge rounds when fully loaded. Retractable magazine followers and snap-open loading ports make for easy loading, and with the magazines above the barrel muzzle climb, is almost non-resistant. The patented shell-feeding system developed by Otosh allows 12-gauge rounds to feed alternately from both magazines for non-stop firing of the full 15-round capacity if called for. The spring-operated loading mechanism ensures lightning-fast and positive loading, while a spring-assisted ejector clears the spent cartridge no matter at what speed the action is cycled. With the barrel directly in line with the shoulder and the weight of the magazines on top, the UTS-15 recoils straight back with no noticeable muzzle climb, providing incredibly fast recovery and target acquisition. For quick acquisition shooting, Otosh developed a windage-adjustable rear sight with a flip-up large aperture peep, or Big Game V, and a front sight with an elevation-adjustable glow-in-the-dark bead. So, no matter the lighting conditions, fast and positive target acquisition is built in. Nearly all handgun fights happen at a distance, and a 9mm slug often doesn't stop the attacker. The UTS-15 12-gauge shotgun is a much different story. Devastatingly effective in a close-quarters firefight, all attackers are stopped, and few survive a direct hit of buckshot from a 12-gauge. It makes no difference in what position the UTS-15 is held. It loads fast and perfect every time, even upside down. The UTS-15, the ultimate tactical shotgun. The UTS-15 tactical shotgun is extremely easy to field strip. After pushing the bolt release bottom, simply unscrew the barrel retaining cap. Then hinge the stock upward off of the barrel selector and slide the barrel magazine assembly forward to disengage the barrel from the receiver. With the barrel magazine assembly removed, the action slide can be slid forward and off so that the bolt can be disengaged from the bolt carriage. The UTS-15 was designed with pins rather than screws, attaching the major components so that the gun could be completely field stripped with, say, a ballpoint pen and a rock if no tools were available. Once the C-clips and sling swivel are removed and the 4 retaining pins are knocked out, it's simply a matter of pulling the butt plate stock assembly out and unhinging the trigger linkage from the trigger to completely remove the receiver and fire control assembly. The fire control assembly is held in place by 2 pins. The front pin should be driven in only 1/4 of an inch and left in place. The rear pin removed completely. At this point, the fire control assembly and trigger linkage can be removed. Field stripping allows detailed inspection of the receiver spring-operated shell loading system, the complete fire control system of hammer, sear, and disconnector, bolt assembly, and the trigger and safety group. No specialized tools are required for the replacement of parts, and complete disassembly requires only 3 of Allen wrenches, a small and a large screwdriver, and a couple of drift punches. UTS-15, the ultimate tactical shotgun.